Today we'll be making the easiest kites you have ever made. These kites are so much fun and so simple. You will need paper. I used a 9-inch by 12-inch piece of construction paper, a hole punch, tape, string, and a stapler. Fold your paper in half, hamburger style. On the open side of the paper, fold the corner to the other side, but about 1/3 of the way from the top, like this. Do the same thing on the other side, making sure both corners are matching up to that same 1/3 of the way from the top spot. Staple those folded corners together. When you look at it straight on, it should look like a little heart shape like this. Now you figure out where you want to put your string. You can put it anywhere down on this side, so feel free to experiment to see which gives you the best flying experience with your kite. Put a piece of tape on the spot where you want to make your hole, and then take the hole punch when you're ready and make a hole through the tape. This will help make your hole just a little bit stronger in the wind. Now put your string through the hole and make a little knot. And that's it! Now, on a windy day, you can get outside and enjoy this warm weather.